The ongoing distress caused by the frequent cordon and search operations, along with the raids and arrests targeting the Kashmiri youth, has resulted in yet another tragic incident in occupied Kashmir's Kupwara district. According to Kashmir Media Service, a 17-year-old girl whose identity has not been disclosed has taken her own life by hanging herself at her home in Ashpura Handwara area. All parties Hurriyat Conference has said that the BJP-led Indian regime is using the Lok Sabha elections as a veil to hide its atrocities and mislead the international community about the dire situation in occupied Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, APSC spokesman Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas in a statement in Srinagar highlighted that India has deployed an excessive military presence in occupied Kashmir in the UN mandated disputed territory of Jammu and Kashmir, treating civilians as enemies with a soldier to civilian ratio of 1:10. Indian troops arrested two youth in the Baramulla district of occupied Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, the youth were arrested by the Indian troops during cordon and search operation in Rafiabad area of the district. The detained youth have been booked under the Black Law, the Public Safety Act. The livelihoods of millions of the Kashmiris heavily reliant on the apple farming in occupied Kashmir are under threat due to new railway project as reported by the Al Jazeera. According to Kashmir Media Service, the construction plan spanning approximately 190 kilometers across the picturesque Kashmir Valley, including the Islamabad, Bijbehara, Pahalgam line, have caused distress among the Kashmiri farmers.